Giuseppe, what are you doing in here? Giuseppe, what are you doing?
Oh, we're gonna go get a parts card for your high school bug because,
well, it's not stuff I need now. It's stuff that
you're gonna need in like a day.
This thing is done. It's finished, but it still has a set of axles. It has Super Beetle control arms.
So it's got struts in the front.
There's a piece of glass in there, the back windows, and it's got some tinkers.
Yeah.
Tinkerets, whatever they call that.
Now, we haven't seen it in a while.
It's done. The car was junk then. Cut off what you need and throw it out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, get a load of my Kiki Momo cigars. He wraps them in this thing. Look at this. Like in the 1940s. Look, there's a lady here, right? And look, and it's like newspaper. Look what it says. $11.99, whatever this is. How funny is that?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
There it is. One day we're gonna restore it.
Yeah, you're crazy, bro.
I'm kidding.
You know, you're capable.
I know.
Let's show it.
There you go.
You don't want to show it? It's pretty bad.
I know it's bad, but we're just using it for parts, Leroy.
Leroy, listen. Trust me, ain't gonna stick around long. I'm gonna throw it out.
We're not throwing it out. That I refuse.
Yeah. Look, it's got a good door. It's got good suspension in the front. Don't ask me what you're gonna use it on. You got a tree growing out of it. I just realized. That's great. It's blooming. Look at how nice and pretty. Well, can you cut that out? I'll move the bumpers.
It's going through the,
look where it's going
window
through.
rubber. Yeah, that's gonna break the window if you leave it.
You got a window growing out of it. Glass.
A window growing out of it. Yeah, that's what it is. Yes. I think I gotta go inside to cut that.
Okay, it's going right out there. This is it right here. All right, sheet metal saw.
I don't have anything else at the shop.
Well, okay.
Oh boy.
Well, here's what we got. You got a children's bicycle. That's for a lift. But throw it back there. A cat holder. Look at this. You got a Buick bumper. This is for like a 1970 Skylark. You got a BMW bumper from a 70s Beamer. You got a front bumper to a Beamer. Wonder how they got it out of the woods. Hate that.
Oh my god.
Okay, go ahead. Start the tow truck. Yo, lean back.
Oh, why do I listen to you? Oh, Leroy, can you? Oh boy. No, wait, hold on. What happened was we forgot our pulley.
Way up. Way up. Alright, stop. I don't have a choice. I'm going to use this, but I have pulleys for this. I don't have them. Okay, go ahead. I have pulleys, but I didn't bring them.
that?
Huh?
How's that?
I just realized we drove this thing here with a tree sticking out of the top.
It's okay. It needs a haircut. It's got a
Okay,
bun.
let's open up. Come on. Okay.
Now we gotta go get the Porsche 914.
Get that thing out of there.
It's another parts car. We're gonna get that out of there. We're on the way right now. The front portion of the car, except for the hood, it's cut because the other car we were restoring, all that was all smashed at one point.
I got
so
a
we had to
picture
change
of
all that. Yeah. So Leroy, patch it in.
Huh? Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
I didn't know you can do that.
Me neither.
Look at this.
All right, be careful. All right.
Okay.
There it is. It's not even rotted.
No, not at all.
Little.
Oh.
This is all cosmetic.
Hope it doesn't snap in half when you go get it out of here.
Let's move some stuff off. We got a bumper over here. Don't scratch it. Wow. Ready to go. Pedals are seized. Never mind. Look, you see, the front's off. He cut it off for another project. See that?
I did.
See? Careful. I did. Check that out. The other side?
He's Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
Yeah, it's got it too. Come here. How'd that work out?
No good.
I can. Straighten the wheel. Doors kind of look sketchy. I don't want it to open on the way to the warehouse, so we're gonna put a ratchet strap around just to be sure that it's nice and easy. Now we can go with no worries. Everything's fine and beautiful, right, Leroy? Oh yeah. A little long, but it'll work.
Nah, it'll be all right. Okay,
I'm done with the 914.
and there you go. This way. Taking over the world. This way, you know, you don't have to hear his complaining. One Porsche 914 at a time. One piece of wood at a time. One towing a 914 Porsche at a time. Done.
You didn't do it because I saw you.
I already did
Like
it.
this and like that.
I already did it. It's over. It's
but
done.
if I wasn't here, I didn't see what you did, so it doesn't count at all.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.